GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation. The European Union, or EU, has decided that new requirements will be enforced to protect Internet users' personal information, or general data. From 25 May 2018, all websites that are seen by EU residents are required to allow their users the ability to choose if they want to allow computer cookies access to their computer. Computer cookies are small snippets of code that are added to a computer. When a user visits the websites that store or retrieve information about the computer and/or personal information on it. A website's privacy policy should state what third-party data collectors are incorporated in the website, and what information is collected, and how it is used. A typical third-party data collector is advertising. The website's privacy statement should include words stating that the user's information is used to better service its visitors. There are many uses of computer cookies. So many that they need to be managed. Fortunately, the user can manage these cookies themselves. The difference now is that websites must inform EU residents of their use of cookies, thereby allowing the user to opt out of any cookie usage, if they choose. When a new visitor first arrives on a website, they are presented with an option to accept computer cookies, a link to the privacy policies, and an option to withdraw from the website, if they do not accept. The GDPR regulation goes on to include the website should provide a means for the user to request a change to their GDPR status. For more detailed information about our compliance with GDPR, please visit our policies page.